Hi Gundula, the helichrysum is so amazing. What do you think about the helichrysum, that we can use this to do something beautiful for this festive time?
I like this time of year. You know, these flowers are just perfect. When we dry them now,
Yeah.
it just stays strong for very long. So we're going to grab a bundle, right, for beautiful wreaths for this festive season. So each
Just like that.
bundle
Look
we
at that.
overlay with the next bundle. But you
Yeah,
first make a
just
good
like that.
bundle and you twist it.
Just like that.
That it kind of sticks to each
Look at
other.
that.
And then we'll start overlaying it. And then for the base of the wreath, we are just tying it up with natural string. So when you have this good frame, you can really just attach anything to it.
Yeah. We're busy decorating this beauty with some of the wild flowers that we found over here. So what I'm going to do now is make a double. Then I'm going to pull it through here, bring it around, and then tie it in here. And then you make it a little bit nicer by making it neater at the bottom. Open it up, you pull it a little bit tighter, and then you turn it around. You keep it like so. I think that is beautiful.